now, okay?
Okay.
Should I include your face?
No.
Okay. So you're gonna build a what?
I will just show them this so they know how to build this.
Oh, okay.
Because it's so cool.
Oh, so you have to talk. You have to explain what you're doing.
So this is what they do so far. And it's the kind that you are gonna be practicing. So you can just copy. And this is what this is.
And talk loud.
And this is what it is inside. So this camera in this is empty. So there's even a telephone right here. Right here is the telephone. And you know this is kind of a plan. Yes. It's red, it's not red. And actually there's people inside. And
Oh, what are there so many people inside?
there's so many people.
I just one.
So many people that you can imagine.
Is that your employee? Oh, there's another one. There's
Those are my
another.
employees.
Okay.
That's the inside. And the outside is very clean.
But there's a zombie there.
And that zombie will kill people, but first I need to go to zombie.
Hey, bro, what's up? Are they zombies?
Yeah, there's a lead. Yeah, he's outside. Those people that is outside. Not really good to know. It's on room. And my employees are looking after my kids. And I even have this boat. So passing this that one is still and you just have to
10 more minutes.
and then look at all my things and then